Hi Ritika, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
So Ritika, just tell us why you are here in Oswaal Books.
Actually, well, my chemistry sir makes us practice chemistry questions from this company. So our sir has instructed us to buy books for class 10 from this store because we can practice questions from these books, and well, we can also revise using these books.
So your teacher is using Oswaal Books.
Yeah.
Okay. You are in which class?
I'm in class 9.
So how you find it?
Our sir tells us to revise the chapters, and then we go to sir, and sir gives us questions from those chapters right from this book. And well, these books makes me understand the topics more easily because I find a few questions which are actually very hard, but I also learn like to solve these questions which are hard. And then also these books makes us understand the topic more quickly, and then I can easily understand that which are the topics which I need to learn more.
All right, Ritika. All the best for your exams.
Thank you.